Hello, welcome to another session with Examhood. This is your favorite educational platform where we have mathematics problems solved to your understanding. So we are still treating problems in mathematics for primary 5. So today we want to look at addition and subtraction of fractions. Addition and subtraction of fractions. We have treated some aspect of fractions. So today we want to continue from where we stopped. So let's look at these examples, or let's look at these problems. The first one says 1 over 5 plus 2 over 5. Remember, we told you that the numbers on top are the numerators and the number below are the denominators. So when you have this scenario, how do you go about it? Remember, the denominator are the same. And so if you are adding or subtracting a fraction, you need to consider the denominators, are the numbers below. And so if the numbers below, you just rule your line, your divisions line. If the number below, the denominators are the same, you just pick one. You just pick one. Then you add up the what? The numerators. And the numerators are 1 and 2. 1 plus 2, you just add them up. 1 plus 2 gives you what? 3 over 5. So that's your final answer. 3 over 5. The second one says, this is subtraction of fraction. 7 over 8 minus 3 over 8. Like we said earlier, the denominators are the same. You just pick one and you subtract the numerator. You say 7 minus 3. And 7 minus 3 gives you what? Will give you 4. 4 over 8. This is not the simplest form of this fraction. You need to break it further to get the simplest form. What can go into each of them? 4 can go into 8 one time, and 4 can go into 8. How many times? 2 times. So your answer is half. That's your final answer. Are you there now? So let's look at the second part of this fraction now, number 3. In this number now, the denominators are different. So we're going to approach it differently. What are the denominators? 5 and 3. So you look for the LCM, that's the lowest common multiple of 5 and 3. That gives you what? 15. That's the lowest number that can divide 5 and 3 without a remainder. 5 divides, or 5 into 15 gives you what? 3 times. 3 times 1 gives you what? That will give you 3. 3 into 15, 5 times. 5 times 2 will give you what? Will give you 10. And so 3 plus 10 will give you what? 13 over what? 15. That's your final answer. So this is the lowest term of this fraction. You cannot break it further. You cannot break it further. Now let's look at the last question here, which is 11 over 8. Sorry, this is supposed to be minus. Let's put this minus as minus. 11 over 8 minus 3 all over what? 4. So the denominators are different. So you just look for the LCM of 8 and 4. That's the number that can divide 8 and 4 without the remainder. That's 8. 8 into 8 one time. And 1 times 11 will give you what? 11 minus 4 into what? 8. That's 2 times. 2 times 3 will give you what? 6. So by the time you subtract 6 from 11, you are going to have what? 5. 5 all over 8. So that's your final answer to that. So these are ways we can subtract and add fractions. So we're going to stop here for today. This is your Examhood, your favorite educational platform where we solve mathematics problems, make it simpler for your understanding. Continue to follow us on all our social media platform, like our videos, share our videos, and watch all our platform. I'll be very happy with it. Bye for now.